Hey guys, today we are here outside the Haunted Mansion. Let's go check out the new merchandise that has arrived at the store next door. So this store is called Madame Leota's Somewhere Beyond, and it's exclusive Haunted Mansion merchandise. See these ears? Very spooky. As well as his new baseball jersey, Haunted Mansion. It's $9.99 at the back. So I have this backpack, Loungefly. Welcome, foolish mortals. As well as these ears. They're the ones that cast members use. The pattern, I mean. Alright, some more items right here. Have this hoodie. It says Haunted Mansion. Just flip it around. This is it from the back. So I have this long sleeve crew neck, I guess. Says Haunted Mansion. Have these ears as well. This hat's actually kind of nice if you're into Haunted Mansion. As well as this little bag. 3 hosts. So a model kit of the Haunted Mansion. Some other ears also available. These ears. It's like a jacket. It's kind of thick jacket actually. Definitely keep you warm during like the cooler days. And this t-shirt, I like that little combo. Goes well with the hat or with the ears. And you have this shirt. If you're into the button down, button up shirts, this is a good one. It's got Ghost, the Bride. Got more stuff right here next to it. This button down shirt says Haunted Mansion. As well as these plates. water bottle. This is like more home stuff, I guess. Even have a mini waffle maker here. So the diffuser and a light. Some towels for the kitchen. They even have a throw if you're into that. They also have the create your own, which I've shown before in my previous vlog. The ghosts, as well as Sally. I see Zero in here. Let's get him. There he is, Zero. I think they have Jack as well. And all this, yep, the 3 ghosts from the ride. I have those available here as well as the Haunted Mansion merchandise that's available in the other store by New Orleans Square. I've already shown some of this. I have this bag that's relatively new, and these 2 sets of ears, this one and this one as well. I have some Jack Skellington t-shirt, Nightmare t-shirt. I like that one. That one's nice. And they have the Jack Skellington hoodie on this side. They have these ears. These are plastic. If I can get them out. They have these ears that are plastic. I'm assuming they light up. I'm not sure. Possibly. I have this shirt that says Haunted Mansion Disneyland. They even sell a Madame Leota decoration piece. A bowl. I like that. Have this one, which you can see changes. Oh, that looks cool. It says Haunted Mansion and Disneyland. So I have this bag, this tote bag. See, it says Haunted Mansion on the strap. Like an architectural type image of the Haunted Mansion with the Disneyland logo. Saw the bride here as well. Even sell baby onesie. Another hat. Oh, I like this one too. This one's nice. And they have a dress. And a hoodie. This is like kids or girl stuff. They also have this shoulder gargoyle. Magnetic. And this other button-up shirt. Notebook. And bookends. That's pretty much it here at Madame Leota's. Lots of Haunted Mansion merchandise, some old, some new, some existing in other places. Thanks so much for watching, and if you did, please, as always, give us a like. Truly appreciate it. Thank you.